The one person in the world that will give you equal love and devotion like your parents is your best friend. My best friend is Mark. We both study in the same school. Mark also helps me in my studies. We also live in the same locality. We spend most of the time together doing the things we like. We understand each other so well, and he is always there to listen to me and comfort me when I am sad and not feeling too good. My best friend is the person on whom I can truly count on all through my life. Whenever I need help or support, he is always there for me. We have lived moments together and have created memories that will remain throughout my life. Having a best friend like Mark makes my life easier. In any crucial situation, the first person that comes to my mind is my best friend. Whenever I'm in any problem, he helps me to get out of the problem by providing the best solutions. My best friend gets angry when I do something wrong and appreciates me when I achieve something. He helps me to become a better person. We plan our weekends and enjoy together. My best friend is the person who makes me happy and deserves all my love and attention. He has been my support system and my strength. No one can take the place of my best friend Mark in my life. Some people think that we are siblings because we are always together and live on the same street. So we spend all the time together at home and in school. My best friend is the greatest friend in the world. I consider myself lucky that a person like Mark is my best friend. He's a great source of inspiration and strength to me. Indeed, a true and sincere friend is priceless in this world. The best friends are the best gifts of God. I always pray for the long life of our friendship. I'm very proud of my best friend, Mark. I have many friends, but Benjamin is my best friend. He is my classmate. We sit on the same desk in the school. We go to school together. We spend most of our time together. He is one of the best students in our class. He understands things quickly and always the topper of our class. He is very punctual in coming to the school. He is hardworking and truthful. He never keeps the bad company and is a well disciplined and obedient boy. He is also monitor of our class. A true friend is the one who is by your side when you are in trouble, and he always stands with me and guides me to take good decision in trouble. He is obedient and respectful. He takes interest in current affairs and discusses it with me. He likes to visit new places and gather knowledge of different culture. He is an ideal student. His behavior is a model for other students. He is very polite, good mannered, and sweet tempered. His uniform is always neat and clean. He comes of noble family. His father is a famous doctor. His mother is a teacher. He is the only son of his parents, so he is the apple of their eye. He helps me to solve difficulties. He is a boy of gentle nature and seldom loses his temper. His parents are proud of his good manners and pleasing behavior. He is popular with all the boys in the school. Whenever I go to his house, he greets me with open arms and cheers me up by his jolly company. Benjamin and I are always together. We go to places like the mall and movies, to the mountains and lakes. He believes in simple living and high thinking. He helps the poor and the needy. He always tries to learn from others. He's a great help to me in my studies also. He has a sound mind and a sound body. He is good not only in studies but at games also. For the last 3 years, he is a captain of a school cricket team. He started playing cricket at the age of 14 and he has won many trophies in inter-school and district level cricket tournament for the school. My friend focuses on cricket as well as studies simultaneously. He is a good singer as well as I'm proud of my friend. He is not limited to his textbooks and reads extra novels. Sometimes he is very funny and makes me laugh with his funny jokes. I love his company and always try to follow him. I'm really proud of him and feel lucky to have a friend like him. I'm really surprised to see that even as a boy, he has the wisdom of an adult. I really feel that I am very fortunate to have such a wise, intelligent, and interesting friend.